Hello my people, welcome back to the paradise. Now I'm gonna continue to work on the E400. I just wanna start welding stuff and put back together whatever I can, because for the inspection they wanna see like the sections and everything, where was the seam made, where the pieces got together, and we'll see how much I can put back, because I don't want to put back everything and just break the clips again. And after it passes, I just want to finish everything from start to finish, and I'm only gonna paint the exterior. But even like that, I'm still thinking about it, because it's just a contrast. It's like two colors, it's like a design. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna do a wrap, maybe I'm gonna just need to fix this, a little bit of touch up. Yeah, but now I'm just gonna put it on the lift and start welding, so I can progress a little bit with this one too, because it's on hold for too much time. Okay, so I got it on the lift, and I'm gonna make me some room in the back, and I'll just push this one outside and just start welding, because everything is in place like you've seen in the previous video if you watched it. And yeah, now let's begin working. Too much talk for me. Yeah, so now I'm gonna prepare it for welding. I just need to clean it a little more. I'm just gonna put like a few welding points everywhere so it doesn't move, and I hope in 2-3 hours I'll be done with the welding. We are ready to rock. Now, because these holes are welded through, it doesn't have like a back side, I'm just gonna use this like this through the back. The weld is not gonna stick to the copper, and like that it's gonna weld my welding spot even better than if it would have a back, but it's okay either way. Okay, let's do a trunk lid closing check. So I did weld this. I'm really glad with the outcome of the welding. On some parts I got some debris, but on the majority it's like really good. It's even stronger than before because it catches like the double the area. Yeah, so it didn't move, nice. I'm glad about this. So now the next step is to remove this both lid, just because I don't have access. Yeah, so now I have the access I need. It's gonna be a little struggling here. I just need to prep this area. This is oil. I'm gonna prep it nicely and start welding again. I really like how it turned out, it's okay. Man, so I did these reinforcement pieces, and these are a struggle to do here and behind here, a real struggle. But yeah, we got it done. I just have to maybe a little bit of grinding, just the high spots. I'm not gonna go into the welding spot, only on the high spots, just a little bit. I don't want to take from the material, from the strength of it, so Yeah, it was a struggle, but I got the hardest part is done. As far as welding, I was thinking for the inspection too, I'm just gonna finish the inside, I don't care. I'm just gonna paint it and put seam sealer here. Because this I'm not gonna open it back, I don't care. I can leave the exterior and everything else without the seam sealer. Maybe even the spare wheel, but this one I'm not gonna... The upper side I'm not gonna leave it open, because in order to make the convertible top work I need to assemble everything like original stuff. Every little part I'm gonna put back, and that's it. For the inspection they can see it from underneath. It was, yeah, so I'm really happy I did this part, because it's such a narrow area to work in, and you just have to squeeze in the welding gun, and it's like factory wise and original, nobody can complain about it. So yeah, aloha my friends, another day in the paradise. A really cold day. So another day here, and I just finished welding this masterpiece of a car. Everything is good. Hello my people, another day here in paradise. Now it's really early in the morning. I'm just gonna continue assembling this. I put some seam sealer here. It's not fully cured, but I'm gonna start assembling everything. Put the grounds, put the electronics. So I made a bunch of progress so far. Everything looks really nice. Really nice. Everything went together as it should. And
Hi Mary, spune. Hi. Hi.
¿Qué pasa amigos? Welcome back to another day. I don't even know what I have filmed, because I still need to edit something for the Mercedes E400. I'm on, the power is off, I don't have any lights, any power. So the next step here is to do the seat belts. They are locked, and assemble everything, the headrest. And I want to swap everything from this one to the new one. And even though these are black, I don't mind black, it's gonna look nice. And yeah, even those are black, the gray ones, they are gonna get dirty easier, so it's not gonna be a problem for me. It's okay black too. I'm just gonna put everything from this one, maybe even the module. Now we are talking, baby. Now we are talking, baby. Yep, now we're talking, baby. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start working, and I'm not gonna film this stuff. God help me, I'm after work and I want to see baby Mary too. Okay, so I finished assembling the interior. Everything looks nice and clean. Now I just want to see if it's gonna work, or the airbag light is gonna disappear. I have to reset the computer, the errors, but I'm hoping it's gonna close, because it did sense this lid open, this partition open. So if not, I have to troubleshoot it again. But the only thing before inspection, I need to do the windshield and the hood and the grill, which I got everything on the same car parts card. But now I'm just gonna try to close the hydraulic system, so I will see if it's gonna work. So wish me luck, I hope it's gonna work, as would be really nice. And this I need to tighten this. Close, I put everything together, the hydraulic system. Just have to close the doors. I don't know if it matters though. With the battery. just gonna try to reset the airbag lights and we'll see after that. Man, I can't believe this. The airbag light is off, so I don't need to reset the module. Why it says collision prevention at plus in operative. I don't know what's that. I'm gonna do a system health scan and I'm gonna reset everything and see if it's gonna work now. So what I'm reading on the internet, the small auxiliary battery in the rear, in the trunk, bad. I don't know if it's bad. It can be like it's gonna trigger the low voltage, is gonna trigger all these errors. And I don't know, I got another one. I can check to replace the other one, which the car said it's bad too, but I did put it to charge. Both of them I did put them to charge, and I don't know if it's the same, if my charger works on that too, but maybe I'm gonna try to swap that or get a new one. I'll see. Now the problem is, let's see if the convertible function works. That's the thing. Yeah, it did sensing the partition open, trunk partition open, and this one said is good. 12 volts, 1258. So the battery should not be a problem. I don't know why it does sense this open. Maybe a switch or something. I'm just gonna double check everything. And so I think I found the problem why it doesn't go convertible. I left something unplugged. Let's hope it's this thing only, and I would be really happy. No way. No way. Thank you, Jesus. No way everything works. No way. No way. Man, I just left something unplugged. I'm gonna try one more time. See how it's gonna close. Just gonna put something here. Just this is a gel, just so it's gonna go easier. A little bit easier. It works now. Everything shuts good. Everything is really nice. Really nice, everything. Even the gaps. Really nice. I'm really happy with this, so I can take the rest of the day off happily. Thinking like, I'm not that satisfied because I didn't solve everything, but no, I did the inside, which looks really nice. No airbag lights, no nothing. I just need to see about the assist stuff, and after that everything would be perfect. Just the windshield, I need to do the windshield, but I need a tool or just pay somebody to swap the windshield. Nice, I'm done for today.